So phase one is all about how do you actually build an unshakable strategy for your business. That is what we are going to dive into in this lesson. Very first part of this is all about how do you unlock a winning strategy for your business? Because to actually dominate your market, you must be very clear on what do you do best and align it with what the market needs and what they want. That is the first step. So if you're not 100% clear on what is your strategy, this is the first step that you must focus in on. Once you have that, then you can dig into who is your ideal user? Do you know them better than anyone else in your market? Once you have that locked down, the next step is all about how do you craft an intentional free model for your business? Most companies guess. But my question to you is, how intentional is your free model? Is it a mediocre model where we're intentional with it, but then we just throw in a bunch of other features and we randomly upgrade people whenever we want? Or is it's fully loaded? People get everything they need in order to succeed, get to the next level. Where would you rate your free model today? Now, I want to share the Super Mario test. If you played Super Mario, when you see this little flower, you get excited because you know once you pick it up, your little Mario is going to grow 2 times bigger, spew fire, and be invincible. Now, I want to share what most free models look like and how that experience mimics this game. Mario picks up the flower. At the end of this free model, Mario is still Mario 1.0. Net zero difference. Tell me if you've had that experience. Now let's compare this to another scenario. Mario picks up a flower and grows 2 times bigger, 3 times bigger. It can beat Bowser the rest of the game. He is invincible. He cannot be stopped. Now, if this is your free model, you might be wondering, why are people not upgrading? You gave them everything for free. They have no reason to upgrade. And I wanted to share this example because you should be thinking of your free model in that lens of it's a game. Right now, your users are at level 1. What do they need to get to level 2? Now in Product-Led Academy, what we've created is known as the ultimate free model framework. And how it works and how it's going to help you craft an intentional free model, it really comes down to, at the core, the center of this, it's all about what is that free promise, that mythical level 2 that we could help your users get to. And once we get clear on what exactly is that, then it becomes time to look at what are all of the challenges you're going to have along that process in order for your users to access that value. So you list out every single challenge that they're going to encounter in experiencing that free promise. And then every one of those challenges, we're going to make sure we have the appropriate solution to help them overcome each of those challenges. You help your users become unstoppable so that they can get to the next level fast. And let me share an example here. This is Tetra, and they are a company knowledge base solution. And initially, they had a free trial. It was 15 days long. And I was talking to the founder. He was like, Wes, this free trial, it's not doing so hot. We have a lot of people signing up for it, but they leave 30, 60, 90 days later, and they don't come back. Now, we had a hunch, given that it's a knowledge-based platform and it takes a while to see value in this product. If you signed up, it's very similar to Google Docs. When you hire somebody new on your team and you share this knowledge base with them, that's really when the value kicks in and you start to say, what did we do without this product? And so what we ended up doing is creating a freemium model where we allowed people to add a certain number of people forever for free. What this allowed Tetra to do is give people enough time to access the value in the product. The founder was willing to take a 3-month bet that this would work. And before the end of the second month, they already saw they had a ton more signups for this freemium model, and their upgrades started actually increasing compared to the free trial. When we looked at their retention and their churn metrics, that also improved. This helped Tetra unlock the next level of growth. So I want to recap with this. Does your free product pass the Super Mario test? Because this is the first 3 components of the product-led system and how to really unlock an unshakable foundation for your business so you can go from being scattered in what you're doing to being really streamlined and intentional with what you're giving away for free. And in the next section, what we're going to unpack is how do you get zero-touch customers and build a product that can sell itself.